Okay, guys, welcome to the trading session here. Today, I have just taken 3 trades here. You can see today's date. I took these 3 trades about 5 minutes ago, and they were all in the money. Okay, so basically, I made a profit of 57, 57, 57. So that's 57.96. Let's bring up the good old Google calculator. 57 point, let's go back there, 57.96, okay, 57.96 times 3, that's the profit. It was a 1 minute trade, okay, it took about 5 minutes to set it up, so 5 minutes plus at least a minute of the trade. So that's about 6 minutes. It took about 6 minutes. So in 6 minutes, I was able to make 173.88. Okay, that's in 6 minutes. So let's say if we did that in an hour. So 1 hour has 60 minutes. Okay, so you divide 60 minutes by 6, you get about 10 trades. So we could do 10 trades. So multiply this by 10. So that gives you about $173 and $38 in 1 hour. Okay, if I trade for 3 hours, which I normally do sometimes, that gives you about $5,000 in a day. Okay, 5,216 in a day. And sometimes I trade 2 days or 3 days a week. So let's say I do 3 days a week. That gives you 15,649 in 1 week. Okay, multiply that by 4 weeks in a month. Okay, so we're talking about $62,596 in 1 month. Okay, just trading 3 hours a day, everything 3, taking 3 trades at a time, 3 hours a day, 3 days a week. 1 month, you make that $62,596. Okay, and you can do that, guys. Now let's go back and look at what we have here. Let's go back and look at this setup here. Let's see if we can take more trades. Okay, so it is now going up. Okay, so let's take 3. So we are doing the 3, the magic of 3, guys. This is a very simple strategy. It's a magic of 3. And I'm only analyzing 3 indicators. Okay, I'm looking at the parabolic SAR. Okay, and then I'm looking at the moving average. This one here, this is the 200 moving average, EMA. And then I'm also looking at the stochastic oscillator. Okay, and I am trading. Oh man, I was trading. Okay, let's change this to 3 minutes. So we're gonna have to take another trade here. I probably screwed up here. It should be 3 minutes, and this would be going up for 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna take those 3 trades. 3 minutes going up. So now we have a total of 6 trades here, but this should be closing up in a few seconds. Okay, so we won 1, 2. And we lost 1. So we won 2 of those and we lost 1. Okay, but we are still in good shape here because the previous trade I already told you, we took 3 trades and we won all of them. Okay, so I'm almost done with the day here for trading. So we wait for the next 3 minutes. So it's the magic of 3. Okay, guys, you come into Pocket Options or any broker that you're using, Quotex. If you don't have Pocket Option, we have Quotex, or you can have as many brokers. I trade with almost 5 brokers a day. I have 5 brokers such that if one messes up, I can go to the next one because every day I have to achieve my goals. Okay, I have to grow my accounts by at least 10% every day. Okay, so that's the minimum goal. Okay, but your target is to double or triple your account within 1 month, guys. Okay, so you have to work with the goals, guys. I know a lot of people come into the market and they're second guessing themselves you're not going to be successful if you do that. You got to have your goals set up. Okay, so you can see I'm working with a demo here. This is a demo account because I'm training somebody right here. I have a student here I've been working with for the last almost 1 month now, and she's learning the skills. She's a member of, she joined the Smart Wolf Club. So one of the skills you're going to learn is how to trade, okay? How to take your money, little money that you have or your little investment, and grow it big using the skills of trading. So the first skill you learn is binary options trading. You get comfortable with that. We take you to Forex trading. Get comfortable with that. We start doing the crypto trading, stocks and stock options trading. And then once you master all those, we put it all together, and then we take you to what we call the bread and butter of the Smart Wolf Club members, and that is digital marketing. And of course, then we show you how to start what we call at least minimum 6 sources of income. You need the 6 pillars that are going to hold your finances high and support you. So guys, we're still in the money, okay? Even though the market has changed, you can see here, we're still in the money. So I'm just proving to you guys that this strategy works. I did it first. I showed you the 3 trades, and I did it again, and now I'm doing it again, and we are still in the money. Okay, boom. Okay, that is done, guys. So my student has learned the strategy, and she's going to practice this on the demo. I tell you to take at least 100 trades. If you start winning about 80% of your trades, then you can start doubling in the real account. Okay, so next week we are going to have a training where I'll show you my student making money in the real account. Okay, her goal is to raise about 3,000 by the end of the month. Okay, the month of December, her goal is to raise $3,000 from a $100 deposit. Okay, and we're going to start each week. We're going to show the training. It's going to be live training. For those of you who are on the webinar here, we have people from all over the world. Tajimoto is on here from Tokyo, Japan. Moses is joining us from Nigeria, Lagos, Nigeria. Malemala is on here from Cape Town, South Africa. Mr. Baker joining us from Atlanta, Georgia. Jose is joining us from Sacramento, California. Rosemary is on here she's on here from Toronto, Canada. We have Ahmed joining us from Dubai, UAE. Mr. Singh from Bombay, India. We have Mr. Scott from London, UK. Anne-Marie joining us from New York, New York. Mary is joining us from Vancouver. Josephine joining us from Sydney, Australia. Peter joining us from Nairobi, Kenya. Guys, there's so many people on here. I can't mention all the names. But go ahead, if you're watching the replay on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, okay? The Smart Wolf Club channel. Become a member. Subscribe. It's free to subscribe. Then hit that bell notification. So when we upload up the next training, weekly trainings, we have weekly trainings. And sometimes we have daily trainings where we get on a Zoom call with our students. And with their permission, now we are sharing some of the trainings on binary options trading, crypto trading, how you can buy your crypto coins and how you can make profits using your crypto, trading your crypto, and what platforms. We are also talking about stock tradings and stock option trading, Forex trading, and of course, the bread and butter of all of us, which is online digital marketing, where you can start your own business online, where you can put in $1 and 10x that, where you can put $10, get $100 out. You put $100, you get $10,000. You put $10,000, you get 1 meal out of it. So guys, these are the strategies that we've been teaching for so many years. Some of us have been doing this for many years, over 20 years, since 1998. You guys are forgetting that the internet is over 30 years old. So some of my coaches have been with us for 15 years, 13 years. Tajimoto from Tokyo, Japan, over 15 years working together. Mr. Baker, 14 years. Mr. Baker from Atlanta, Georgia, in the US, over 14 years. Marcelina is on here from Madrid. She's joining us from Madrid, Spain. We've been working together for over 8 years. Malemala, Cape Town, South Africa, over 12 years, and doing great things together. So come join the Smart Wolf Club. The links are in the description, and make sure you join. You go through our DGE strategy program where we show you how to dream, set your goals, and of course the effort or the execution. We work with you and put profit machines in place that can generate you profit when you sleep, when you are away. So you have financial freedom, you have location freedom. Okay, guys, you know what is going on in the crypto market right now. You learned about the FTX going belly up, and now they're filing for bankruptcy, one of the largest crypto platforms. They're going down with a lot of millions of dollars for people who have lost their livelihoods. So those are some of the things that we talk about in our training. Now, there's a disclaimer here. None of us is a financial professional. Whatever we share with you guys is our experience. It's not professional financial advice. If you need that, you seek that from somewhere else, from licensed individuals. We share our experiences and what our students do and what is working for us. Okay, so if you want to know how to buy crypto, go watch the previous video that we uploaded. Okay, go and do that. Take action, guys. 2023 is going to be your year if you take action. Most people fail because they don't take action. They don't apply the 3 principles. The principle of FCC, okay? Focus. You got to focus. Then confidence. And then consistency. If you lack those 3 principles, you are not going to be successful. And I've been training a lot of people for many years. Some of them are very, very successful, working with us here as coaches now. And some of them are going to be coaching some of the new guys who are on here on the webinar. Some of you have just signed. You probably have met some of the coaches in some of our trainings. We were in India just a few months ago, and we had a massive training. Over 200 people turned out, and they learned how to trade, and they made hundreds of dollars in one sitting, and they were so happy. We made life-changing incomes to some people. Mr. Singh in India had organized a group for us, so we were all there, and we training, and we do these meetings all over the world. Marcelina, Madrid, Spain. We were there recently, and we were training the group down there on how to trade stocks and stock options, crypto, name it, digital marketing. We had people make their own online products and start their online businesses so they can achieve what we call financial freedom, location freedom. So just come and join the club, okay? Join the Smart Wolf Club. The links are in the description for those of you who are not members of the Smart Wolf Club. And if you want to reach out, there's an email in the description. You can join our Telegram group, okay? And you can ask your questions there. Or if you don't like Telegram, we have the Smart Wolf Club. And then we have a Facebook group. You can join that. The links are all in the description, guys, okay? But for those of you who are watching on the YouTube channel, it's a new channel. We want to get that to over 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe to that channel so this information can be available to the masses. I'm a believer, okay? And the master teacher tells us, if you know something, you believe in something, learn, practice, and teach others. When you teach others, your life is going to change. Trust me, I've seen that happening, and that has happened to me. I've experienced that. If you touch somebody's life and you help them solve their problems, your problems will start going away. And you can start that by sharing these trainings so people can learn how to make money online from the comfort of their homes, on their computers, on their laptops, on their cell phones, on their all devices that can access the internet. For example, the platform we are using here with my student, I'm showing her, is the Pocket Options, okay? I put a link in the description. For those of you who don't have Pocket Options, you can open a demo account. It's free. All you need is your email address and your name. It's going to take you just a few minutes. I've put the link for Quotex. Go ahead and open another account so you have at least 2 platforms that you can practice these strategies as you follow along in the coming weeks. And if you go back and watch some of our videos, you can follow along and practice some of the strategies that can 10x or can double or triple your money. Okay, guys, let us say a prayer. Father, in the belief of the power of the Almighty, I pray that the teachings we've shared today and the strategy that we have shared today shall be helpful to the people that pay attention to it. In the belief of the power of the Almighty, I pray. Amen. Guys, I pray that you go out there and practice this strategy. Let me give you an overview of the strategy. So basically here what we have is 1 minute candles. Okay, so you go right here, candles, regular candles, 1 minute. These are 1 minute candles. Okay, and then we have the stochastic oscillator. So you go to this doohickey here. It says indicators, so you look for the stochastic right there, and the settings are 1433. Okay, and then we have this one here is the moving average EMA 200. Okay, and then of course we have the dawn chain channel, and then I also have these other moving averages here. You can see there is the 50 and the 100. Okay, and then we also have the parabolic SIR. The settings are default settings. Okay, so now when the stochastic is down here, means the market has gone down, oversold. So we're in an oversold position, so it's likely to start going up, and you can see it is actually going up here. All right, so we can take, using the magic of three of the indicators tell us to go, we take the trade. Okay, so we have a lot of indicators here, but we're going to go with the magic of 3. If 3 indicators are in agreement, we are going to take the trade. Okay, so the parabolics are, we're just waiting. Let me see if there's another pair that has a good setup. Yeah, you can see this is going up, so we can take a 1 minute trade here and we are likely to win. So let's take the 3. I'm just showing you guys, that's why I'm working on the demo to demonstrate this. Okay, so this might be too late. Okay, but it's 3 minutes trade. Okay, the trade time is 3 minutes, and you can see we are actually in the money, guys. We are actually going to make money right here. You can see we are in the money unless something catastrophic happens. You can see the stochastic is pointing up. There's a strong upward trend. Okay, now I might be wrong here. The sellers have come in and they pushed this down. Okay, it's below the 200, so we should be looking for sell opportunities, but I'm going against that because you can see the dawn chain channel tells us this should be going up. Okay, you can see the middle of this line here. This is the middle of the dawn chain channel, this line here, the orange line. You guys can see that can work as a support line too. Okay, so it seems like this is going down. The parabolic SAR point indicates that this should go up, so hopefully there's enough pressure to take this market up. I'm trading the OTCs, guys, and they're very volatile. So because you're trading against the broker, so sometimes the broker will not allow you to win. But let's see what happens. Okay, it's going up. So we are already in the money, guys. It's going up, it's going down, it's going up. So we'll come back in a minute and take a look at it. Right now, I'm looking at other pairs. You see, once you take a trade, there's nothing you can do. All you can do is go analyze other pairs and see if you can find a setup that can make you money. So like this one here, you can see this should be going down. Well, so you can see we are in the money, guys. You can see our analysis was correct. We are in the money. Okay, it's about a minute. Okay, all right. So I'll report the results of this trade next week. We are still in the money. You can see we are in the money. We are in the money here, guys. Okay, so go and practice this, and I'll see you next week. Thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, and goodbye.